Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to change your location on Tinder. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Tinder, and after that you have to click on profile in the bottom right of the screen, and after that go and click on settings icon on the top right of the screen. And as you can see, there is like passport mode option, or you can go to discovery settings, the first option location, and click on add the new location. And here you can add as much locations as you want and change to any location. So for example, I will change to this location. You have just to click on it, and after that your profile will be and your location will be modified to that location. And as you can see in the top of the screen, my location has already changed. And to activate this option, you have to have a premium account, not a free account, because with a free account you can't change your location. And if you use any VPN or any other tool to change your location, your account may be banned from Tinder. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.